Did you know that in 2016, the transport sector was responsible for 25% of global carbon dioxide emissions? Although the road transport dropped between 50 to 75% due to global lockdown measures from the COVID-19 pandemic, transport demands continues to rise since 2021 as societies begin to recover from the pandemic. So what should we do? Governments across the world are working hard to shift their transport model into smart transportation systems. So why is it important to understand smart transportation? The development of smart transportation is a step forward in smart cities. For instance, the Singaporean government invested over $12 billion for intelligent transportation development in 2018. What kind of products do Taiwanese manufacturers offer in smart transportation sector? How can they be applied? Before we get into it, let's take a look at smart transportation and what kinds of business opportunities it brings to the buyers. Hey everyone, I'm Diana.
And I'm Chris, and
welcome to Taiwan Insight. This is a show where we talk about interesting industry reports from a local perspective
to a global scale.
The recent report shows that global intelligence transportation system market is projected to grow from $22.9 billion in 2021 to $42.8 billion in 2028. With the emergence of intelligent transportation systems, Taiwanese manufacturers are taking advantage of their strong ICT industry base to provide solution-oriented services. ICTs play a critical role in converging into transport technology-related products, including self-driving cars, the Internet of Things, mass, drones, and 5G networks. Particularly, the global smart transportation market develops rapidly. The expansion of 5G deployment will increase from $700 million in 2020 to $6.3 billion in 2025. As technology plays a critical role in the Internet of Things, the market of smart transportation demands the ICT to provide real-time traffic information to users. You might be wondering, what can Taiwan bring to the buyers? Glad you asked. Taiwan's long-standing experience in ICT development and outstanding hardware manufacturing potential allows us to be the best choice of supplier in 5G and Internet of Things development. Many Taiwanese companies have already expanded beyond computers, communications, and consumer electronics into Internet of Things applications. From the perspectives of vehicles, roads, and the cloud, Taiwan offers foreign buyers support in building smart cities. Speaking of 5G, although it may sound controversial, 5G can help reduce energy consumption. Can you believe that? Combined with the Internet of Things, carbon emissions can be reduced up to 15% by 2030. So let me tell you all about it. Taiwan's biggest telecom, for example, decided to use two communication modes, 5G network and PC5 interface on roadside units to build fast broadcast signals. These signals can evacuate surrounding vehicles in advance during an emergency. Most significantly, by improving data, automation, and operational services, it achieves the highest energy efficiency. So, how can Taiwan help? Taiwan solutions from local manufacturers can help the buyers leverage 5G networks and move closer to the goal of building a sustainable smart city.
In addition to the earlier mentioned smart transportation and carbon footprint reduction, smart transportation can create a safe city. The concept of a safe city corresponds to the UN's resolution of improving global road safety in 2020. Only by reducing traffic accidents and improving the overall road safety can we realize the better quality of life provided by smart cities. Taiwanese manufacturers propose two solutions to solve the problem. The first solution proposed by a Taiwanese company is the world's first vehicle-to-everything V2X safety system, combining wireless access vehicular environments, or WAVE, dedicated short-range communications, DSRC, and microwave technology called iRoadSafe. It can detect moving objects on the road by using roadside unit, or RSU, and identifying unsafe vehicles for drivers. iRoadSafe is Taiwan's V2X pioneer, and its promising technological solution lies in using roadside sensing technologies such as radar and cameras to detect all moving objects on the road, then transmitting V2V basic safety messages, or BSM, through RSU to reduce accident rates and elevates mobility efficiency. iRoadSafe has been deployed in several cities in Taiwan, including public transport services like buses and light rail transit systems. it has substantially reduced the accident rate and achieved the goal of building a safe city. Best of all, iRoadSafe has won both the Edison Award and the ITS World Congress Industry Award in 2019.
The development of smart transportation is important for developing countries. For example, 58% of all motorbike users in the world are in Asia Pacific. To increase mobility efficiency and driving safety, Taiwanese manufacturers utilizes the local scooter culture and created another motorbike-friendly V2X solution. This is the second solution that Taiwanese manufacturers can offer. Both Proxera and Nudo from Taiwan use various V2X applications to achieve the best results for motorbike experience. Let's take a look at what these two products can offer us. Speaking of Proxera, we have to mention its Bluetooth Low Energy technology. It refers to the use of low power, short range, and a general specification for sending and receiving tiny chunks of data over low energy links. This type of energy-saving Bluetooth offers scooter drivers with a full range of information systems, such as speed camera alerts and navigation. At the same time, Proxera not only connects to smartphones through Bluetooth, but also uses voice technology to give information to the drivers. This is known as the Smart Notice 2.0. Hey Chris, what do you know about smart navigation?
Well, I know if you enjoy smart navigation, then let's take a look at Nudo Navigation. Nudo also uses Bluetooth, which connects with a smart dashboard. The dashboard has a customized interface with information on weather, time, and speed. This information can be accessed through a toggle button on the right-hand side of the handlebars. In addition, the smart dashboard also displays nearby attractions, rest areas, gas stations, and more to guide the driver in the easiest way possible. If multiple drivers are using the Nudo network, the GPS compass can be used to display the distance and location of other vehicles.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. Taiwanese manufacturers use the Internet of Vehicles to tackle difficult traffic problems. It's a huge step forward and brings the quality of urban life even further. Taiwan offers hardware and software services for the application of smart transportation. For instance, the adaptive mini LED in a smart dashboard. The MLED contains a unique dynamic image processing mode that saves a lot of power. It creates a flawless display and can lower blue light by 80%.
In terms of software, a Taiwanese company has successfully served over 320 million smart devices via over-the-air programming, or OTA programming worldwide, by improving cloud applications, edge computing, and securing cloud management.
Taiwanese manufacturers expect the various cooperations and innovations will assist worldwide buyers in achieving the objective of all-round smart transportation. In addition to offsetting carbon footprints and improving safety, the development of smart transportation can also provide a more seamless travel experience and support urban transport.
That's right. According to a global population report, it's estimated that by 2050, about 5 billion people will live in cities, and that's more than 2/3 of the world's population.
That might sound very surprising to you, but one of the potential business opportunities arising from urban development is mobility as service, also known as MaaS, a technology that facilitates mobility efficiency. By using big data and Internet of Things, people can receive an instant update on traffic status. It's an effective approach to help urban citizens move efficiently.
Let's introduce the current market trends of MaaS. MaaS was valued at $3.3 billion in 2021, and it's projected to grow up to $40.1 billion by 2030. Taiwan offers many technological solutions on MaaS and has successfully been applied in multiple cities across the country. The most successful and well-known MaaS product is Mango. Mango is a smart transport card that integrates metro, light rail, bus, and ferry passes to provide a convenient public transportation environment by using real-time information. Mango from Taiwan not only generated a high volume of sales in Taiwan, but also gained attention from many famous Japanese universities. Mango's app has passed the stringent 4 and 5 verification by TÜV Rheinland, so users can enjoy it without worries.
Let's talk more about the product features. Mango's app has the following features: real-time information of the buses and metro, city bike stations, their availability for rent and return, and nearby parking lots. Additional transportation information for railways, high-speed rail, taxis, and ferries are also included on the app as well. Since Since the launch of Mango, the number of people taking public transportation has increased by 21%, not only reducing traffic accidents, but also saving energy. And it's worth noting that MAS is the first joint effort of public-private partnership. As mentioned earlier, Taiwanese manufacturers are leading the 5G game. With the transformation of smart transportation across the globe, Taiwan offers robust and stable leading hardware and software solutions to enrich the experience of mobility. And that's your Taiwan Insight.